Hello, kids! Welcome to the wild and wonderful world of the jungle. I'm so excited to take you on an adventure today to meet some amazing jungle animals. Are you ready to explore? Great! Now, the jungle is like a big green playground full of tall trees, noisy rivers, and so many animals. It's home to creatures big and small. Some climb trees, some swing from vines, and some even roar loudly to say hello.
Hello, little adventurers. Today, we're heading to the savannah to meet the ostrich, the world's largest bird. Let's learn all about this incredible creature and what makes it so special. Wow, look at those long legs. Ostriches can't fly, but they are amazing runners. In fact, they're the fastest running birds on Earth, reaching speeds of up to 45 miles per hour. That's faster than a car in a neighborhood. Ostriches may not fly, but their wings are still useful. They use them for balance when running and to perform fun little dances to communicate with each other. Did you know ostriches have the biggest eyes of any land animal? Their large eyes help them spot predators like lions or cheetahs from far away. They're always on the lookout. Ostriches eat a little bit of everything. They munch on grass, seeds, fruits, and even small insects. Sometimes they swallow small stones to help grind up their food in their stomachs. Isn't that clever? Look at that egg. It's huge. Ostriches lay the biggest eggs of any bird. One ostrich egg is as big as 2 dozen chicken eggs and can weigh up to 3 pounds. Ostriches are social birds and like to live in groups called flocks. Living together helps them stay safe because more eyes are watching for danger. Sometimes ostriches lie low to hide from predators, but no, they don't actually bury their heads in the sand. That's just a myth. They're much smarter than that. The ostrich is a truly amazing bird, fast, smart, and full of surprises. Thanks for learning about them with me, little explorers. See you next time for another wild adventure. Thanks for learning, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Bright Spark Kids TV for more content like this.